And Maryland is lending a group of attorneys general and governors who are opposing President Donald Trump's deployment of National Guard troops in D.C. Attorney General Anthony Brown is urging the U.S. Court of Appeals for D.C. to stop the Trump administration from sending any more troops or soldiers to the nation's capital. Rafael Sanchez Cruz is live right now. Rafael, this is all happening as the Trump administration plans to increase the number of National Guard members this summer.
That's right, Annie. This coalition representing 26 states is not part of a lawsuit against the Trump administration, but they say the deployment of troops does impact their states. Now, they are also arguing that the president is sidestepping governors who are charged as the commander-in-chiefs of their National Guard in each state.
We have great people.
President Donald Trump is facing pushback from a group of 23 attorneys general and 3 governors who are urging the U.S. Court of Appeals for D.C. to stop his deployment of the National Guard in the district. The coalition that includes Virginia is led by Maryland Attorney General Anthony Brown, who wrote in a statement, President Trump unlawfully deployed the National Guard to Washington, D.C. for political theater, not for public safety. Our office will continue defending the rule of law against unlawful efforts to use military power to police American communities. The group argues that the deployment is taking away power and resources from states and local jurisdictions.
We're not done. We are not satisfied.
Less than 2 weeks ago, Assistant Attorney General Colin McDonald joined other Trump administration officials announcing a summer federal surge in D.C., bringing in more federal agents and having a total presence of 5,000 troops.
We won't be done until we reclaim every last inch of ground on anyone seeking to do harm in our nation's capital.
Officials say the surge is for protection of residents and tourists during the America 250 celebrations.
We've been met with construction and National Guard. We're really happy they're here. We feel safe.
But members of the group Free DC could not disagree more.
We've seen a number of court decisions that the Guard should leave. We've seen it in Illinois, we've seen it in Oregon. And in all those cases, in fact, the Guard did leave. So right now we have 2,700 troops here from about 15 states. They're planning to almost double that. If the court moved, I believe those troops would leave and we would be safer here in DC and the country would be safer.
Now, the D.C. court has yet to set a date of when they will make a ruling on this case. In Northwest D.C., I'm Rafael Sanchez Cruz. Back to you, Annie.
All right, Rafael, thank you so much.